Hello guys, this is Shreya and I welcome you in my channel Shreya Knowledge Hub. Guys, today I will tell you about SEO. What is SEO? Guys, imagine one thing that you have a website and you are not gaining organic traffic in it. So what you have to do? You have to do SEO of your website. Guys, in simple language, if we try to understand, is that if we update our website after optimizing it according to the latest algorithm of Google and any other search engine, that is called SEO. Guys, in our today's video and in our upcoming video, I will tell you about SEO and I will tell you about how you can do SEO of your website, how you can rank your website on the first page of Google in this very tough competition. Guys, if you look 5 to 6 years back, you will see that there was no need to do SEO of your website. You could rank your website by just doing and by just giving proper title description and some keywords to your website and by just doing some on-page SEO of your website. But if you look in today's time, when you search a query on the search engine or on the Google, you will see that millions of results appear in front of you. But which will get the highest traffic? Only top 10 and only top 5. Rest, no traffic. So guys, this is the reason that many bloggers use different tactics and different strategies to rank their website on the first page of Google. And guys, now the question arises that how you can rank your website on the first page of Google by just using whitehead SEO technique. Guys, because many bloggers are there who make use of blackhead SEO to rank their website on the first page of Google. They make use of some spam backlinks and some over optimized content to rank their website on the Google. They force Google by making use of these things to rank their website on the first page on the top of the Google. Guys, believe me that you can rank your website on the top by using these things, but only for some time. When Google will do its next update, it will disrank your website, it will outrank your website, and even it can remove your website permanently from its search engine, or it will your website will never appear in Google. So guys, this is the reason that Google keeps updating its algorithm continuously to prevent from those bloggers who make use of blackhead SEO technique. So guys, there is no benefit of using blackhead SEO for long-term purpose. Guys, this much in today's video. In our upcoming videos, I will tell you about SEO, I will tell you about advanced SEO, I will tell you about everything related to on-page SEO and off-page SEO. I will tell you about keyword research and many things I will tell you. So guys, if you liked our video, then please press the like button. If you want to get the latest video updates of my channel, please press the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching this video.